Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you the vector slash cross product of two vectors. My previous videos I've worked on the scalar or dot product, so this is another one known as the vector or cross product. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss anything coming from this channel. Now, a good knowledge of matrix and determinant will help you to survive in the topic vector and cross product. Okay, now if I have two vectors, say vector A and B, the vector product of A and B is the same thing as A modulus of AB sine theta. But assuming it is the scalar or dot product, we say is A dot B is the same thing as modulus of A times modulus of B, then cos theta. Okay, but this time around it is sine theta for the vector or cross product. Okay, now to tackle the dot product, which is the first question, where we have A times B, the scalar product. Now A times B is obtained using the matrix. So if I have a matrix like this, and this is in I, J, K, the components are I, J, K, so you have to write I, J, and K. The first vector A is 4, the coefficient minus 3 and 2, while the second vector is 1, 2, and minus 5. We are going to find the determinant of this matrix. Anything we get will represent the vector product. So you've now seen the usefulness of matrix in this particular topic. Now remember that here is always positive, negative, and the positive. That's the idea. Go and review your knowledge of matrix and determinant so that you master this appropriately. Okay, now so if I take I'll be left with, if I cancel the rows of I and if I cancel the column of I and the rows of I'll be left with this. That is killing the rows and the columns. I'll be left with minus 3 and 2, 2 and minus 5. The next one is minus J. If I delete, I'll clean up this. So if I also delete the rows, the column, and the row of J, I'll be left with this and this. When I delete the row and column of J, I'll be left with 4, 2, 1, and minus 5. Then lastly, we have plus K into, I'll clean this again. For K now, if I want to get my K, I'll delete the rows of K and the columns of K. I'll be left with this 4 minus 3 and 1 and 2. So to get the determinant of these 2 by 2 matrices here, we shall have it as I into minus 5 times minus 3 is 15, minus 2 times 2 is 4. You do a sort of cross multiplication. Minus 5 times 4 is minus 20. You put minus. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus our K. We have 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. So finally we have 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 times I is 11I. Minus 20 minus 2 is minus 22. Minus 22 times minus J will give us plus 22J. Then minus minus is plus 8 plus 3 is 11. So this will give us 11K. Okay, so this is just the vector product of these two vectors. So it gave us 11I plus 22J plus 11K. Okay, now to answer the second question, we say we should get the modulus or the magnitude of the product. So I'll click here to do that. So this is the vector product. We got it as 11I plus 22J plus 11K. So to get the modulus of A times B will be square root of 11 squared plus 22 squared plus 11 squared. X squared plus Y squared plus Z squared. So modulus of A dot B will give us 11 squared is 121 plus 22 squared. 22 squared will give me 484 plus 11 squared is 121. So A times B, or A dot B, will give me, I have to add 121 plus 484 plus 121. It will give me 726.